Hello and welcome back to a new video here in the Trading for Everyone channel. Today we are going to explain in detail how Trading 212 works. This is one of the leader trading platforms in the United Kingdom, but also is available in all Europe and all around the world. Almost all the countries are able to create an account. This is a commission-free investing tool, so you can download the app or you can use from your website. With as little as £1 you can start investing. They already have 1.5 million users and they have 3 billion in clients' assets. They grow in a fast rate. They have more than 20,000 reviews in Trustpilot with more than 4.6. As a general note, you can buy stocks and ETF, but not only from Europe or from UK. You can buy from United States, Europe, and from the most important stock markets around the world. You can choose your favorite company, you select how much you want to invest, and that's it. You are going to get the shares into your portfolio in just seconds. The app is well designed. They also introduced what is called pies or an Autoinvest. We are going to explain this in detail after, but they create an easy tool in order to diversify in different stocks. You can create your pie, and each time you deposit money into your account, you can diversify with just one click. You invest in a lot of companies based on your needs. They introduce what is called fractional shares. So as I explained before, with as little as £1 you can start investing, so you don't have to buy the whole share. You can invest $10 in Apple, $10 in Tesla, $10 in Google, and you don't need a huge amount of money to start investing. These are full regulated broker by the FCA. This is a UK regulation, the Financial Conduct Authority, and your funds are protected because up to £85,000 it is protected by the FSCS, the protection scheme that regulate the UK financial institutions. So in case that Trading 212 go bankruptcy, even though your money is safe, they focus a lot in data protection. And this is a really important point because they offer over 12,000 shares an ETF. So in comparison with other alternatives, with other trading platforms, you are not only available to trade in the Nasdaq in the United States or in UK or Germany, you also can invest in Madrid, for example, in Spain, in Netherlands, in Austria, in France, in Portugal, in United Kingdom, and more. So in one app, you have the possibility to invest in almost all the biggest stock markets in Europe and also in the United States. And they also offer ETFs, so with the ETF you can diversify in different industries, in different parts of the globe. For example, you can invest in China, you can invest in global market, emerging markets, and so on. As I said before, they have both the app and also the website. This is cool because for some people it's better to use the phone to invest. You can download the app in App Store or Google Play, but also if you prefer to use your computer, you can access to your account from your computer. There is two types of accounts. One is called Trading 212 Invest and the other one is Trading 212 CFDs. For the first one, you are going to be able to buy stocks and ETF with zero commission. But if you want to use leverage and you can trade long and short with leverage, you can also access to CFD products. This is for people that has more experience in the stock markets and the people who understand how to manage risk, because you can lose all your money if you trade with leverage. So if you're a beginner, it's better always to start investing with what is called Trading 212 Invest. But it's good that you have the possibility to increase your buying power and use leverage. You can deposit and withdraw with debit or credit cards, with Google Pay or Apple Pay. You can transfer using your bank account. So it's quite flexible the ways in which you can deposit and withdraw. They have different regulations and they have different companies around the world. For example, one is called Trading 212 UK. So based on where are you from, where do you live, you are going to have different regulations. For example, there is another company that is registered in Bulgaria, another one that is registered in Cyprus, an island in Europe. So in here you can select the country where you're from and you can understand which regulation applies to you. Talking specifically about CFDs, as I explained before, you can trade long and short with leverage. If you want to, for example, trade with Forex, with the stocks, with index and more, you can have leverage, so you can increase your buying power. You can start with a low amount of money and you can trade with more money. But you have to understand that leverage is a way in order to lose all your money if you don't have experience and if you don't know how to manage risk. You can trade with commodities, for example, oil, metal, Forex, for example, the euro-dollar pair, or for example the S&P 500 index, or even stocks, going short or going long. If you believe that the market is going down, you can short the market and you can profit from that. It's zero commission and no hidden fees, and they are tight spreads, and they also have negative balance protection to avoid getting into a position in which you have to owe money to the broker. As I said here, they charge you spreads. So what is a spread? Is the difference between the price in which you pay for something and the price you sell that stock or index. So that difference is the money that the broker earns as a fee. So even if they don't charge a commission, they always earn something based on the spread. As I explained before, it's fully regulated by the FCA. It's registered in England and Wales, and they have a license in the Financial Conduct Authority that regulates all the England financial markets. And as I said before, your funds are protected based on the financial service compensation schemes, that even in the likely event that Trading 212 fail, you have your assets safe based on this government protection. In here you have the whole list of all the assets available in the platform and in which exchange is based. So for example, you can trade Apple, that is based in Nasdaq in the United States, but also you can trade, for example, Rolls-Royce, that is based in the London Stock Exchange. As I said before, you have more than 12,000 assets to invest in, so it's plenty of alternatives. This is a really powerful tool that they create, because you can create your own pie and you can introduce what is called Autoinvest. What is a pie? A pie is a way to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and you can diversify your portfolio and customize it in order to reach your financial goals. For example, you can define that you want to invest 30% in real estate in the United States, but also you want to invest 25% in United States stocks. So you can pick whatever asset you like, you create your own pie, and after that, each time you deposit money into a trading account, you can, with one click, you buy the whole thing, diversifying in an automated way. I believe that this is really wonderful. I didn't see this in other trading platform. I believe that this could be really useful for a lot of people. And also you can fully automate your investing experience, because you can understand how much interest is likely to generate in the long term. If you focus on the long term, you can invest and get money based on dividends and also from capital gains if the stocks that you pick go up in price. You can also simulate in here how many years you are planning to invest, which is your monthly deposit and which is the initial deposit, to understand how much money you are going to earn in the long term based on these parameters. It's really flexible because you can change that pie that you create and you can balance in just one click. You can rebalance with a single tap. What is called a rebalance? For example, imagine that you buy Tesla and the price go up like crazy. Well, then you will have more Tesla as a percentage in comparison with other type of assets. So in that case, if you want to go back to your initial distribution, you can click and the app is going to sell some Tesla stocks to buy a bit of other stocks or other ETF in order to rebalance your portfolio in just one click. It's easy to top up money because you can deposit anytime with different deposit methods. I believe that could be useful if they introduce, for example, PayPal, Skrill or Neteller. This is something that this platform is lacking of. There is no possibility to use any e-wallets. You only can deposit using credit cards, debit cards, or bank transfer. They are introducing this new feature that is called pies or social pies, so you can understand other investors in the same platform, what they are doing, in which type of asset they are investing in. I believe that this is like a feature they are trying to copy from eToro that is quite powerful in copy trading. I believe this in the future could go that way in order to copy the performance of other traders. Up to now, you can only understand in which assets another person is investing, and you can copy the distribution, the same as they are doing, but there is not in an automated way. You have to do it by yourself. Understand what another person is doing and you can copy, but it's not in an automated way as eToro does. In this point, I believe eToro is better. They create a better product. Which are the trading terms? Which are the fees and spreads? Well, if you use the Trading 212 Invest, you are not going to pay any fees to deposit money or to withdraw money. That's really good. But if you deposit more than 2,000 euros using a credit or debit card or Google Pay or Apple Pay, you are going to pay 0.7% as a fee. So if you invest low amount of money, you can deposit using any deposit method, but if you want to deposit more than 2,000 euros, it's better to use bank transfers in order to avoid this fee that is quite high. The minimum amount of money that you can use to trade is €1 or $1, so it's really low. If you're investing in any type of asset in which you have to exchange money, for example, if you have your account in euros and you're investing in something in the United States, you're going to pay 0.15% as a conversion exchange rate. And if you want to use the CFD trading platform in order to use leverage, you're not going to have any fees to deposit or withdraw. The minimum deposit and the minimum withdrawal is 10 euros, is really low, even though the conversion rate is going to be higher, 0.5%, so you have to take that in mind. And if you trade with leverage, you are going to pay a fee to keep that trade open if you keep that trade for more than 1 day. And these are the margin requirements. If you know how to trade with margin, you will understand what it means. If you have any question, you can leave a comment in the comment section and we're happy to help you. And if you want to create an account, you can use the link that I leave you in the first comment and in the description. In that way, you're going to help the channel to keep going and you can earn some stocks. It's a really trusted broker. They're starting in Bulgaria. They have more than 1.5 million users. What they're trying to do is offering zero commission stock trading in the UK and Europe. So in this way, they are doing what Robinhood, for example, start doing in the United States, but they are doing this in Europe, for example. They have more than 14 million downloads if we talk about the app. And as I said here, in 2016, it was the most popular trading app in the United Kingdom and also in Germany, for example. They have a tab in the website all focusing trying to teach people how to invest, how to understand some investment terms and some terminology that could be hard to understand if you are a beginner, so you can understand how to invest in dividends. And they also have what is called an ISA account, so if you are based in the United Kingdom, you can use that type of account in order to avoid paying taxes in the UK. So if you get capital gains in the long term, you are not going to pay any tax if you are from UK and you use the ISA account. So this is the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, to leave a comment if you have any question, if you use the app and you like it, or if you have any issue, or if you want us to analyze another alternative. See you in the next video. Bye.